In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to put on your Venom 125Cc Grizzly seat. So first things first, I'm going to go from under my unit and unlatch the seat, just like so. Take my seat off. So on our seat, we have two nipples on the back and then this little piece in the front. So this piece right here is going to want to slide under here, just like so. And then from there on, so these two nipples right back here, if they don't happen to fit or your seat is not fitting, it's because they're not positioned properly and they're not fitting into these two holes. So if that happens, all you want to do is get a knife or something and just cut them off like so. In this video, I will not cut them off because my seat happens to actually fit perfectly. But if it doesn't, all you do is just cut these two pieces off. So I'm going to put my seat on. So the first thing I want to do is I want to line it up from the back. So from the back, if you want to come down here and look, you have a perspective of all of it, so you can see everything. So I just want to slide it through. Make sure it's lined up, like so. I'm going to go under and grab my latch just so it fits through the latch hole. Okay. And I'm going to come back up here and I'm just going to push as hard as I can. And just like so, my seat is latched on. And that is how you put on your seat for our Venom 125Cc Grizzly.